I'm excited to share my first 48 hours with the new Galaxy Watch 7. I've been putting this smartwatch through its paces, and I believe it's one of Samsung's most impressive releases yet. So let's explore everything this watch has to offer. Let's talk about the unboxing experience. Samsung has kept things sleek and minimalistic with the packaging, which I believe reflects the modern and sophisticated essence of the Galaxy Watch 7. The box itself is compact with a clean design that builds anticipation as you open it. Inside the box you'll find the watch itself, a charging cable, and some basic documentation. No unnecessary frills, just the essentials. The moment I held the Galaxy Watch 7, I was immediately struck by its build quality. It's light yet sturdy, and the design feels premium, with a seamless blend of form and function. I opted for the 40mm model in Mystic Silver, which I believe looks fantastic on my wrist. The Mystic Silver finish gives it a sleek, modern look that can easily complement both casual and formal outfits. The watch fits comfortably, and the silicone band is soft and flexible, making it perfect for all-day wear. The material feels gentle against the skin, reducing the chances of irritation, which is something I always look for in a smartwatch. The 40mm size is ideal for my wrist, providing a perfect balance between screen real estate and comfort. For those with larger wrists or who prefer a more rugged look, there is also a 40mm option. I believe the larger model retains the same high-quality build and offers a more substantial presence on the wrist. The display is another highlight. Even during the initial setup, I was impressed by the clarity and brightness of the screen. The AMOLED display is crisp, and the colors are vibrant, which enhances the overall user experience right from the start. I believe the high-resolution screen will be a major plus for activities like reading notifications, tracking workouts, and even casual browsing through apps. Samsung has also paid attention to the smaller details that add to the premium feel. The buttons on the side of the watch have a satisfying click, and the rotating bezel, which has been a signature feature of Samsung watches, feels precise and responsive. These elements collectively contribute to an overwhelmingly positive first impression. One thing I appreciate is the ease of attaching and detaching the bands. Samsung has designed the mechanism to be user-friendly, allowing you to quickly switch bands to suit different occasions. This level of customization means you can easily transition from a sporty look to something more sophisticated without much hassle. Moving on to the design and display, the Galaxy Watch 7 sports a stunning AMOLED screen. The colors are vibrant and the display is sharp, making it easy to read notifications even in bright sunlight. One of the standout features for me is the always-on display. I believe this feature is incredibly useful because it allows you to check the time and basic info without having to wake up the watch fully. Samsung has also introduced new watch faces with this model. There are plenty of customization options, so you can tailor the watch face to match your style or needs. From analog designs to detailed digital faces, there's something for everyone. Setting up the Galaxy Watch 7 is a breeze. Once powered on, the watch guided me through the initial setup process. Pairing it with my Galaxy phone was seamless thanks to the Galaxy Wearable app. I believe the user-friendly setup process is one of the key strengths of this watch. Navigating through the watch's interface is smooth and intuitive, the touch response is snappy, and the new Exynos W920 processor ensures that apps open quickly and run smoothly. Swiping through the menus feels fluid, and the physical buttons on the side add to the ease of use. Now let's get into the health and fitness features, which are arguably the most important aspects of any smartwatch. The Galaxy Watch 7 comes equipped with a host of sensors that can monitor your heart rate, blood oxygen levels, and even stress levels. Over the past 48 hours, I've been tracking my daily activities, and I believe the data provided is accurate and helpful. One of the most exciting new features is the sleep apnea detection. I set up the Samsung Health Monitor app on my Galaxy phone, which is necessary for this feature. After 2 nights of sleep data, the watch will notify you if it detects any irregularities. As someone who values good sleep, I believe this feature could be a game changer for many users. Additionally, the Galaxy Watch 7 offers comprehensive sleep tracking, providing insights into your sleep stages and overall sleep quality. The new Energy Score feature is also worth mentioning. It takes into account your activity levels and sleep quality to give you an idea of how well you're recovering and how much energy you have for the next day. When it comes to workouts, the Galaxy Watch 7 has you covered with 90 different exercise modes, from running and cycling to more niche activities like yoga and Pilates. There's a mode for almost every type of workout. Over the past 2 days, I've tested running and cycling modes, and I believe the watch does an excellent job of tracking distance, pace, and calories burned. One of the new additions to the fitness features is the functional threshold power for cycling, exclusive to the Ultra model. This feature calculates your maximum power output in just 4 minutes, which is significantly quicker than traditional methods. Although I haven't tested this feature extensively yet, I believe it will be a valuable tool for serious cyclists. Battery life is always a critical factor for smartwatches, and the Galaxy Watch 7 doesn't disappoint. On a full charge, I found that it comfortably lasts through a day of heavy use, including constant heart rate monitoring, GPS tracking, and notifications. I believe most users will find the battery life more than sufficient for their daily needs. Charging the watch is straightforward with the included magnetic charger. However, I did encounter a bit of a disappointment when I realized the reverse wireless charging from a Samsung phone is no longer supported. This was a convenient feature in previous models, and I believe many users, including myself, will miss it. Beyond health and fitness, the Galaxy Watch 7 excels in its smart features. Notifications from your phone are mirrored on the watch, and you can respond to messages directly from your wrist. The quick replies and on-screen keyboard are easy to use, and I believe these features enhance productivity. Another useful feature is the ability to control music playback on your phone. Whether you're using Spotify, Apple Music, or another service, you can play, pause, skip tracks, and adjust volume without taking your phone out of your pocket. I believe this adds a level of convenience that's hard to beat. Customization is a big part of the Galaxy Watch experience. There are countless watch faces to choose from, and you can even create your own. The Galaxy Store offers a wide range of apps, from fitness and health to productivity and entertainment. Over the past 48 hours, I've downloaded a few apps, and I believe the selection is quite robust. One of my favorite apps so far is the SmartThings app, which allows me to control my smart home devices directly from my watch. Turning on lights, adjusting the thermostat, and checking security cameras are all just a tap away. I believe this integration makes the Galaxy Watch 7 a central hub for smart home control. After spending 48 hours with the Galaxy Watch 7, I believe it's a solid upgrade over its predecessors. The improved health and fitness tracking, stunning display, and smooth performance make it a top contender in the smartwatch market. The sleep apnea detection and energy score features are particularly noteworthy, as they offer valuable insights into your health and well-being. However, it's not without its drawbacks. The removal of the reverse wireless charging is a significant letdown, and the fact that some features are exclusive to Galaxy phones might be a deal breaker for non-Galaxy users. Despite these issues, I believe the Galaxy Watch 7 is still an excellent choice for anyone looking to enhance their health tracking and stay connected on the go. So, should you buy the Galaxy Watch 7? If you're a Samsung Galaxy user looking for a feature-rich smartwatch with excellent health and fitness tracking, I believe this watch is definitely worth considering. For non-Galaxy users, it's still a great smartwatch, but you might miss out on some exclusive features. That's it for my first 48 hours with the Galaxy Watch 7. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more in-depth reviews and tech content.